Hey guys, what's up? Steph here. Happy Sunday morning and happy Victoria Day long weekend if you are Canadian like me. I'm so glad you're here with me for another Plan With Me. We are going to put everything that's going on this week on one piece of paper. It's your one-stop checklist shop. You can just see what you have to do, check it off, and know that you've made a little bit of progress with every check mark, and that is something to be celebrated. So welcome. If you are new to Planning With Me, you don't have to go back to the beginning. We do it every week. It's a fresh sheet, fresh start. Doesn't matter if you didn't do great last week. Doesn't matter if you quit halfway through the week. Start again with me today and start getting those check marks tomorrow morning. There's just a couple things I wanted to point out before we get into the planning. Number one, make sure you hang on to your old checklist. That's my husband. He's building something. Make sure you hang on to your old checklists. It will really help you in planning future weeks. You'll see where things maybe didn't go right, things went right, things you didn't get to and you need to add to new lists. So at the end of the week, don't chuck it in the garbage. Even if it didn't go well, just hang on to it until the following time that we get back to that zone, that kind of area, and you can start looking for patterns. Number two, I just wanted to talk about this so quickly. If you missed it the first week, the reason I have an R for Thursday and not a second T is because when I was in university, my husband's being so loud. When I was in university, we used an R in our course calendar. It's kind of like I just kept it and I figured, you know what? It's just my little special touch of me in there for you. And that's why we use R for Thursday, because that's what I did. And the other thing is plan and pay. It's not a mistype. I use plan and pay for Tuesday. Flylady says plan and play, but I modified the system to work for me, and so I call it plan and pay to remind me to get online and pay my bills and not let them stack up to the end of the month and then possibly forget about them. So let's get started. I can't wait to show you what I have on my schedule for today and hear about what you're planning for this week. All right, here we go. Fresh sheet, fresh week. Let's start with morning routine. So mine pretty much stays the same every week. First thing in the morning, I like to make the bed, and then I'm getting dressed to my shoes, unload the dishwasher, starting a load of laundry, doing a swish and swipe of just one bathroom. I don't do all of them. And this week I'm going to add, instead of go outside, because we're finding that pretty easy now, the weather's nice, I'm going to add garden. So I'm going to just remember to check on my garden because I'm going to do a lot of planting this weekend. I'm so excited. So then evening routine, I'm doing my power tidy, which I do every day. Doesn't always happen at night, but I do it every day. Put the laundry away, do my hotspot for 2 minutes, start up the dishwasher, and the last thing I do before I sit on the couch and put my feet up is shine the sink. So moving into zone cleaning. This week we are in zone 4, and so I made that my bedroom zone. It's not quite the same for Flylady, but she does, I think, have master bedroom on this one, but I just thought, you know what, I'm going to get them all done in 1 week. I'm just going to add chandelier there because that's something I have to do in my master bedroom, but I know that probably not everybody has a chandelier in their bedroom. All right, so daily focus. Monday, we just have our weekly home blessing again. So I check those off through the week, or sometimes, like last week, I can power through and get them all done on one day. Tuesday is plan and pay. So for me, that's bills, and I have to get my trailer insured. We really want to do some camping this summer. On Wednesday, I'm going to do something hard, and that is hang patio lights. It's going to involve some electrical work, but I'm confident I can do it. Thursday is self-care day, usually Erin's day, but I'm calling it self-care day. And this week I actually have a counseling appointment, and I didn't know if I wanted to share that with you guys. But you know, if there was ever a time to take care of your mental health, this is it. And I can't think of a better way to practice self-care than taking care of your own mental sanity. So I have a counseling appointment on Thursday. No shame. That's what I'm doing. Friday is car and purse day, and because I only go to one place every week, which is the grocery store, I don't really have to clean my purse out much, but usually I do have to clean the car. This week is going to be a bit different. I'm going to do our trailer and truck, so getting that all clean, ready for camping if we want to go. And then on the weekend, I'm going to add declutter project. I had this on my list last week, didn't get it done. I've been working really hard to get my garden ready, so it's time to move on. I am making the most of May, and I have to declutter every cupboard in my house because I said I would, so I'm going to do it. Reminders for me this week, I have kindergarten registration for my daughter, and I did finish all of my thank you cards for our baby, but I need to get those mailed out. So that's a reminder for me this week. I have to get that done. All right, menu. What is on the menu for you guys this week? Do you eat differently in the summer? We eat a lot more grilled food. So I'm going to put spaghetti here because we haven't had it in 2 weeks and it's pretty much my favorite food aside from cinnamon buns. And then hamburgers on the grill. Probably do chicken fajitas on the grill. We didn't use our chicken leftovers from last week, so I'm going to put chicken pot pie on here again and just get that made up. And then my husband's all-time favorite food, I feel like the weather's here, we're going to do it, have steak. We don't have steak very often, but he loves it, so let's do that. And pizza. I have some leftover pizza making ingredients, so going to have pizza again, and then leftovers, or if we don't have leftovers, going to do takeout. And I know I don't put sides on here, but just so you know, we have a salad as our side every single night. We love salad, so that's the side for basically every meal. So that's it for my plan with me this week. This is what I have to get done this week, and I'm going to be making those check marks happen every single day. Remember, progress, not perfection. Every check mark is a celebration, and it does not have to be completely filled out to have really accomplished something in your house. Thank you so much for joining me this week. Please hit that thumbs up button if you love free printables, and I will talk to you next week. Bye-bye.